The news in detail. Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has passed away at the age of 92. The country is mourning the loss of a leader who is credited with shaping India's modern economic landscape. Dr. Singh breathed his last at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi late last night.
Dr. Manmohan Singh was admitted to AIIMS around 8 p.m. yesterday in a critical condition after a sudden loss of consciousness at his home. Despite efforts to revive him, he was declared dead at 9:51 p.m. Dr. Singh, widely regarded as the architect of India's 1991 economic reforms, was the Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014, leading the country through a period of significant economic growth and global recognition. Tributes have been pouring in from across the nation. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited his residence to pay their last respects. Former President Ramnath Kovind also expressed his condolences, calling Dr. Singh an example of politeness and a champion of India's economy.
पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी के निधन ने हम सभी के हृदय को गहरी पीड़ा पहुंचाई है। उनका जाना एक राष्ट्र के रूप में भी हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी क्षति है। विभाजन के उस दौर में बहुत कुछ खोकर भारत आना और यहाँ जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में उपलब्धियां हासिल करना ये सामान्य बात नहीं है। अभावों और संघर्षों से ऊपर उठकर कैसे ऊंचाइयों को हासिल किया जा सकता है, उनका जीवन ये सीख भावी पीढ़ी को देता रहेगा।
Tomorrow, Dr. Singh's final journey will begin from the Congress headquarters in New Delhi at 9:30 a.m., with the cortege making its way to the cremation ground. Meanwhile, 7 days of state mourning will be observed throughout the country from December 26 to January 1, 2025. Bureau Report, DD News.